Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a fingerprint onto your Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! First, let's simply head into our settings. Then, let's scroll down a little until we'll see a section called Security and Privacy, and we want to click to the section above it. Now, let's enter screen lock and biometrics. But first we have to re-enter our current PIN. For me it's 12345. And then we can simply go with fingerprints. Now let's simply hit continue. And let's go with register. You will notice that the fingerprint sensor itself is on the right side. So you'll probably want to simply pick up your phone and use your thumb, but I'm just going to use my finger right here. As you can see, we do have some information, like to register our fingerprint, we want to place our finger, who could have guessed, we can move our finger in any pattern or direction, and we want to remove any cases from the phone. So let's simply go for register, and let's begin. As you can see, you do have a nice indicator on when you're actually successfully touching the phone, and about its, oops, we have a little issue here, and its progress. So we can take it and wait for the percentage to fill up. If it's not filling up, then you want to pick it up once again and try to take a little bit of a different angle, basically. And this might take you a few times to do. As you can see, it is pretty hard for me with this finger. Let me try to do maybe this side now, which was a nice shot. But it is very sensitive for repeating the same patterns. So it's not as easy to register as on the other phones, though at least you will have the knowledge that, well, actually it's pretty hard. And I guess normally you probably want to do it on your thumb, not on some random finger like I am doing right now. And lastly, we should have 100%. And boom! We can now go with done. And we even have a nice tutorial to check if everything is working correctly. And everything is working correctly. So let's hit done. And we have our fingerprint. We can click on it. Oh, not that. We can click on it and rename it if you want to. So I can rename it to subscribe with a little exclamation mark. And now we have our subscribe finger. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.